all pythons live in Africa. You know, I don't know how she would hunt this down. I mean, she has camouflage, but it would work in grasslands, but... Oh, it would work in grasslands and mice.
Well, in deserts, too.
And there's mice in deserts and grasslands, so it's like... So, actually, it would be easy. I think we should just, like, make her, like... I think we should make her not eat for a while, and then make her eat, and she'll be like... The first part was, like, she wasn't even eating, like, she struck at it once but missed, and then it was like...
She was ready, huh?
She was like, oh, I see food. I see food.
You need to check her humidity and temperature again.
Oh, yeah, I checked it in the humidity.
Are you sure you're looking at the right thing?
Yeah, I looked at the humidity. It was like 30, 20.
Really?
Uh-huh. Huh. He said we don't need it. We're going to have the light on it all the time. And
no, honey, I'm talking about the light, not the humidity.
We don't need the light.
Okay, tell me what. Okay.
It's not really good, but if you were here, it would be insane. It's really cool. She's gonna eat it in 10 minutes. Like, they can eat from 10 minutes to 1 hour, so it's like, surprised she's even starting right now, so. Oh, good. It's a little bit fuzzy. So.
Looks like they're hugging.
Oh, I love you. Oh, their jaw's big. Here, get a shot of this. Not to be rude, but I need to look inside your mouth. Look how big that jaw is.
Oh, wow. Zoom in on that, babe.
Okay.
Those little, oh my gosh, there it goes. Get it, honey.
It's going down.
Zoom in.